Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Tool Use in AI, How It Works. Imagine you have a toolbox full of different tools for building your projects. These tools are like the basic components of AI that we'll use in our coding adventures. Our first tool is programming languages. Think of them as the language we speak to tell the computer what to do. We use Python, JavaScript, and others to write code for our AI projects. Now, imagine having a library full of recipes that can help you make delicious dishes without starting from scratch every time. That's what libraries and frameworks are for in AI. They're like those handy boxes of ingredients that we use to build our projects. A machine learning library is a special type of library that helps us make machines learn from data just like you learn new things by watching and practicing. We use libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn to teach our AI models. We need to collect, organize, and clean the data before we can feed it into our AI models. It's like sorting your toys so you can find what you want quickly. Visualization tools are like a map that helps us understand complex data better. They're crucial for seeing patterns and insights in the data we work with. We need to check our code for any errors or bugs like finding a spelling mistake in your storybook. Debugging tools help us fix these issues so our AI projects run smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.